Chemistry in medicine is important because it helps in the development of new medicines. In recent history, powerful antibiotics have been developed. Vaccines also can treat more diseases than before. Antibiotics' most common problem is the resistance. This causes the disease to become immune to the antibiotics, and people who consume the medicine do not take the effect. Medicines need to become stronger so the resistance of bacteria can be eliminated. MRSA is an example of a bacteria that resists to antibiotics, and it is a potential disease that can cause a severe damage to the population. Scientists are working on antibiotics that work on this disease. Chemistry in medicine works in a very organized way. Scientists studying molecules can determine if something is wrong with a certain molecule of a medicine. They can also determine the medicinal effects of certain molecules. When knowing this, scientists can combine that molecules and make a more efficient medicine.
Men have searched the chemical alley with which to improve their expectation of survival. Knowing the behavior of the elements of nature has been an almost instinctive concern of men who will soon apply their ancestral knowledge, concern, and main occupation: food. Fertilizers, plastic lines and networks, smart package breeding, keep out moisture and the escape of aromas. Bottles and containers of different polymers.
Chemical warfare involves using the toxic properties of chemical substances as weapons. Chemical warfare is different from the use of conventional weapons or nuclear weapons because the destructive effects of chemical weapons are not primarily due to any explosive force. The offensive use of living organisms, such as anthrax, is considered biological warfare rather than chemical warfare. However, the use of non-living toxic products produced by living organisms is considered chemical warfare under the provisions of the Chemical Weapons Convention.
Global warming is a term used to refer to a phenomenon of increase in global average temperature of Earth's atmosphere. The main effect that causes the global warming is the greenhouse effect, a phenomenon that refers to absorption by certain atmospheric gases, mainly H2O, followed by CO2 and O3 energy from the soil emitted as a result of being heated by the solar radiation. Without these, natural greenhouse temperatures will fall by about 30 Celsius degrees. With this change, the oceans will be freeze and life as we know will be impossible. Chemistry helps to ensure continuous improvement in quality of life. It also becomes the essential tool to improve protection environment through the development of technologies and processes increasingly clean and efficient.